As a new contractor to the industry, it's very hard to understand where do I start. I've gone out, I've won a customer, I've got a job, maybe I need a staff member. With our Master Program, we've analysed and designed the program around building, growing and mastering the industry over 36 months, so we know those areas that you need to work on your business to get your business to that level that will succeed. In the first year, it's a year of building the business. We'll build in the basic systems and processes we need to fundamentally build a better business. The second year is about growth. Not necessarily growth in size, it might be growing into the type of industry they want to work in or the specialist skill they want. But then the third year is really mastering the business and getting all those elements right and enabling that business to be very successful for a very long time. I'd be horrified to try and start a business in today's age without some level of help. What we've done at Master Electricians is put all those elements into the one program, laid it out specifically for you over 3 years that will get you to become a Gold Master Electrician. So they'll be able to come out saying, I'm offering a safe, profitable and sustainable business.